Hello beautiful, how are you today? A very happy new year to you, and if you are headed out tonight for some New Year's celebrations, then this video is for you, especially if there's going to be a little extra sparkle on your eyes. So thank you so much for being here and giving me a great big thumbs up on this, as well as hitting that subscribe button if you're not already a part of my family. And if you really enjoy the content, then please go ahead and hit that notification bell. That will alert you the next time new content is uploaded. And then for all the beautiful comments that you leave in the comments section below, it means the world. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit quickly about how to remove the sparkles from your eyelids without injuring yourself. And I'm going to use a couple of different things. I have just a regular little Q-tip, and then a cotton pad, and then the Lancôme by Facil eye makeup remover. So I've got a couple of different things of it. I've got a little mini one here and then the normal size. And really all I'm going to do, of course I've got eyelashes on, so I'm just going to give this a little shake so that everything combines inside. I'll dip my Q-tip into the mixture and kind of let it really soak in there quite a lot, and then just take and run it along the base of my eye, first of all to remove the eyelash, and then also to start to remove some of those sparkles just to get them loose so that they move easily on my eye. One of the things to remember is the most delicate skin that you have is your eye, and I believe the thickest is on the base of your back actually. So that is something to keep in mind when you're doing your eye makeup. All right, so I've removed the eyelash, and I'll just continue running this along my eye, dabbing it, and also kind of lifting up as I go, kind of pushing that up so that it doesn't get actually into my eye. Next, I'll take a little cotton pad and just squeeze some of the remover on there and gently press that, so that again no tearing happens on the skin of the eyelid. And that should really remove most of, so I'm just dabbing it, I'm not rubbing because that could be dangerous, but it is picking up the sparkles on there, the glitter, so that is not being left behind. Then just to clean that up right at the end, I will take another fresh Q-tip and run it along my eyelash. That is pretty good. Now I'll go ahead and safely wash my face, and all of that will be gone. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope this helps, ladies. And remember, always, I am enough. I love every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in my next upload.